What's up, guys? So I bought this blanket from Wish, and it's from the Akatsuki, aka Naruto. And I'm actually gonna be covering my basically like the back seats, not the entire seat, but just like the backrest with the blanket, just to put more of a background to it. I know a lot of people do like seat deletes, but I just wanted to cover it in case sometimes I do have like a person in the back. There's no point in doing a seat delete. Okay. I'm just trying to figure out what side is what. I have hella water bottles in the back of my car just because I haven't had time to clean it. Being like 6'2" in the back of these seats, I'm kind of tucking it in for you guys. I'm kind of just tucking it in right now. This came out. Looks pretty dope. Hella crammed up in here in this back seats. I don't know how people do it. My feet are like just, there's not enough leg room, I could tell you that.